Pakistan's development vision for an expanded economy, increased industrialization, and elevated standards of living will demand enormous amounts of energy. Similarly, sustainable development will require major efforts for long-term energy security. As a result of a growing economy, Pakistan's energy needs have more than doubled in the past 15 years. The country's industrial growth and rising per capita income has put relentless pressure on its energy resources. Despite having abundant renewable resources such as water, sun and wind, the sharp increase in demand has led to a countrywide energy crisis, which threatens economic growth. Today, Pakistan relies heavily on clean energy to fill the gap between demand and supply. Over the past years, the widening gap between energy demand and supply has led to power outages and disruption in the country's economy and development. These challenges required a multi-pronged approach that would address both the immediate energy shortages and help the country build long-term energy sufficiency. Since 2010, the United States Mission to Pakistan, through the United States Agency for International Development or USAID, has partnered with the government of Pakistan to help respond to the energy crisis that has crippled Pakistan's economy and devastated the lives of many Pakistanis. These efforts have been implemented by investing in energy infrastructure, providing technical assistance to support institutional reforms, promoting new technology, and supporting private investment. This assistance has resulted in the addition of more than 3,600 megawatts to the national grid, savings of $429 million in revenues for the distribution sector, and leveraging mobilization of over $2.3 billion in private investments. USAID also partners with the government of Pakistan to provide advisory services to begin importing liquefied natural gas, construct transmission lines and substations to evacuate wind-generated power to the national grid, and rehabilitate thermal and hydroelectric power plant. USAID has been offering millions of dollars worth of assistance to build, upgrade and maintain power resources so that Pakistan's industrial, agricultural and economic growth can increase its pace. The United States' partnership with Pakistan to meet energy challenges has a long-standing legacy, from the earliest efforts to harness the country's natural hydel resources to when the United States assisted Pakistan in establishing its atomic energy research and development project. Over the years, USAID has implemented a range of programs to strengthen the institutions that deliver energy to the people of Pakistan. Building strong and accountable organizations within the energy sector is an acute challenge that requires modern management and implementation systems. In 1959, USAID provided more than $5.3 million in technical and infrastructure assistance to establish WAPDA, a government-owned public utility that maintains Pakistan's water management and power generating facilities. During the 1960s and 1970s, the United States government was one of the major contributors for the construction of Mangla and Tarbela dams, which more than doubled Pakistan's electric generation capacity. This reliable and inexpensive domestic source of energy contributed to the Green Revolution and industrialization. Technical support was provided to construct a 742-kilometer double-circuit power grid system between Varsak and Lailpur. The Lailpur power station in central Punjab enabled the region to utilize its abundant resources to power a thriving textile industry. In 1961, the United States provided funds for a coal-fired power plant in Quetta and the sea station at Karachi Electrical Supply Company. The Mangla Dam is located on the Jhelum River, approximately 100 kilometers southeast of Islamabad, in the Mirpur district of Azad Kashmir. Construction on the dam began in 1962 and was completed in 1967. The Mangla Dam was designed to irrigate 3 million acres of farmland. construction on the Tarbela Dam began in 1968 and was completed in 1977. Tarbela, now the largest dam in the world by total volume, is located about 50 kilometers northwest of Islamabad in the Haripur district of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. During the 1980s and 1990s, USAID supported the construction of Guddu Power Station in Sindh, which brought several improvements and state-of-the-art technologies in Pakistan's transmission and distribution sectors. In 1989, USAID, WAPDA and the Asian Development Bank collaborated to construct a power plant at Guddu, Upper Sindh. This was the first power plant utilizing combined cycle to generate electricity in Pakistan. To build human resources for better management and policy making, hundreds of energy professionals have received United States funding and training in the construction of energy projects, audit technologies, economics, and energy conservation. The United States helped establish a full-fledged energy wing within Pakistan's Ministry of Planning and Development. Today, this wing advises on all matters related to energy and power. USAID not only provided conservation equipment to various industries, but also financed the creation of the National Energy Conservation Center, ENERCON, through technical support, training, and energy conservation loan programs. To diversify Pakistan's energy mix, USAID has helped put the country on the global LNG map and save $1 billion per year. USAID has sponsored the drilling to tap 80 billion tons of coal in Thar, discovered in 1989 following a study by John T. Boyd Company of the United States. This coal is utilized in different ways, including briquettes for household cooking and heating, an inexpensive and safe alternative to kerosene and firewood. 2009 onwards, USAID has also funded the replacement of hundreds of municipal and thousands of agricultural tube wells and water pumps with higher efficiency models to reduce electricity consumptions. Since 2011, USAID has worked with the government of Pakistan on a range of projects such as the construction of the Gomal Zam Dam in South Waziristan, Satpara Dam in Gilgit-Baltistan, the modernization of Tarbela and Mangla dams, and the renovation of 3 thermal power plants, including the Muzaffargarh, Guddu and Jamshoro power plants. USAID has also worked with power distribution companies to reduce power losses in local power distribution lines, both increasing power for electricity consumers. Today, USAID supports 1,121 megawatts of hydroelectric and thermal generation capacity in 3 provinces, including KP, Sindh and Punjab. Work is also underway in partnership with WAPDA on the Golan Gol hydroelectric project. Located in Chitral, it is one of the first large run-of-the-river projects in northwest Pakistan. These hydropower projects provide flood control and needed water storage for irrigation and household use. In addition, USAID has worked with the government of Pakistan to increase electric transmission capacity by 2,293 megawatts by repairing and replacing aging equipment at substations, as well as installing new transmission lines and substations at Chimpir Wind Corridor and Muzaffarabad. USAID has helped the government of Pakistan to rationalize pricing, reduce subsidies, increase revenues, and improve the distribution of energy resources through the introduction of new technologies, technical assistance, engineering reviews, and strategic partnerships. The crux of the policy support is to help eliminate energy crisis in the country and optimize the use of available resources to fuel the economy and make the country more self-sufficient. These improvements have recovered 212 megawatts of distribution capacity and helped distribution companies recover over $429 million in revenue. USAID has also promoted innovative reforms along with supporting construction projects to make Pakistan's energy sector operate more efficiently and more sustainably. USAID has worked with Pakistan to import liquefied natural gas or LNG for the first time and helped diversify Pakistan's fuel sources. USAID has teamed up with the government of Pakistan to construct K2 Veer hydroelectric and irrigation project. The Kuram Tangi Dam is a multi-purpose dam under construction on the K2 River in North Waziristan, Pakistan, with a power generation capacity of 83.4 megawatts. The project includes construction of canals, feeder tunnels, pump stations, powerhouses, ancillary works, cofferdam and silt excluder. USAID is working with the National Transmission and Dispatch Company (NTDC) to shift focus towards alternative sources and to improve energy management. USAID financing will allow 15 private sector wind projects to come online. Through this, private sector investment will also be leveraged. Under the Patrind transmission project, USAID is providing funds for construction of 45 kilometers of transmission lines to connect the private sector hydropower plant to the national grid. The Patrind hydropower station, constructed near Muzaffarabad, was completed by a Korean consortium using its own equity and financing from other development partners. This hydropower plant is the second private hydropower project in Pakistan. To increase the availability of financing for underserved borrowers who are often ignored, USAID partnered with 4 local banks to provide a partial loan guarantee to provide financing to such underserved borrowers. This guarantee not only benefits small and medium-scale borrowers, but also helped banks expand their lending portfolio and extend longer-term loans for clean energy projects. This partnership has already mobilized $18 million of a planned $54 million in financing for biofuel and solar projects. Additionally, USAID's assistance to the government of Pakistan and private sector developers supporting clean energy deals leveraged $779 million, adding 610 megawatts into the national grid. Further, USAID continues to support the improvement of policy and regulatory environment in Pakistan. USAID introduced smart meters technology in the government-owned distribution companies or DISCOs to improve their billing efficiency and power management. Additionally, USAID has assisted Pakistan Information Technology Company (PITC) in establishing a smart grid integration and testing lab in Lahore. This lab will enable PITC to test and certify different smart grid technologies, such as smart meters, and promote research and development on smart grid technologies designed to improve energy use. Additionally, USAID has provided several new planning tools, such as ArcGIS and Synergy to DISCOs, to improve their planning capabilities, as well as the latest softwares to the National Transmission and Dispatch Company (NTDC) and the Central Power Purchasing Agency Guarantee Limited to expand and revamp their planning capabilities. The journey of partnership between USAID and Pakistan for a brighter future and a lasting, sustainable energy infrastructure for the country continues.